Hi lovelies, just a quick video just to show you what I got from Glitter Planet and a quick little tutorial of what I made with it. So there was this liquid chrome holographic paint, looked amazing. This glitter, I haven't done anything with this glitter, but have I got plans for it. I'm just snipping off because I couldn't bloody get in the plastic. I hate plastic. So we've got Tropicana, Aurora Dot, I'm a Lizard, Steel Blue and Frozen there. Sorry, the rest of this video is the right way around. I just didn't notice that this was upside down. This mermaid gel polish. Oh, I use this in the nails that I'm about to show you. It is a beautiful turquoise colour. Super, super pretty. And Make a Wish, it's like a Cinderella blue. Oh, it is gorgeous. I wish I'd have had these to make the nail set that I'm currently wearing. I think it just would have added to the whole Northern Lights snowy winter theme. And this is hollow glaze, so it's like a holographic. I think it would go well opaque just by itself, but also like maybe add a jelly polish over it and you've got like a whole new holographic polish. Ooh. And then we've got these little flakies. Was that Silver Mist? It's sort of like can't really describe it. I think this is iridescent, so I think it's got more of a blue tint to it. I think the other one had more of like a goldy tint to it. Yeah, see, this one's got more of a blue, sort of iridescent. They're both iridescent, but yeah, sort of different shades. So this is what the liquid hollow metal looks like. It is beautiful. I really hate these little things to get off the bloody hell. Ooh. Shiny, shiny, shiny. So we're going to start with Mermaid. And I do 2 coats of this, but I'm only showing you one because... But look what a beautiful colour that is. I've never ordered from these guys before, but I have to say this was a very nice gel polish. I really, really liked it. And this is Make a Wish. Sorry, you would have thought that would stop of going off screen now, but old habits die hard. I hope everyone had a lovely Christmas and a lovely New Year if you celebrate. So we're going to take the liquid hollow metal paint now. So we're sort of doing like how do you say it? Is it agate crystal, like opal-y style? So we're drawing the outline, and then in the middle we're going to put like the little flakes to sort of give it that agate crystal geode sort of effect, if you know what I mean. I hope you know what I mean. I'm rambling. Yeah, I hope everyone had a really good break over the season. It is sort of getting to me now that I've not got that much maternity leave left, so I'm going to be going back to work very soon, and it's going to be very, very strange. Very, very strange. It has been a huge learning curve. Absolutely mental, actually. But these little moments have kept me sane. Definitely have to have time for yourself. You really, really need time for yourself. So I've popped some base coat, and I'm just going to mix the flakies in with that, and then we're just going to pop it in the middle. Super easy design. like really doesn't take very long. As you can see, this is not a very long video, so it is really simple, like super simple, super easy. Just blob it in, place it in, and fill it out to the sides. And then look, there you got your little sort of jewel, crystal, geode, agate, whatever you want to call it, opal. Oh, this damn camera keeps going out of focus. It's because it's trying to focus on what's in the background, but I'll move it out of the way in a minute. But you can see what I am doing. I'm just trying to sort of blob that in place. I mean, I think you'd get more of a 3D effect if you used like a builder gel maybe and mixed it in with that, but I don't think it needs it. I think I've made this quite sort of 3D already. But there we have the mermaid base. Oh, see, that's both nice for winter and summer, like holiday nails. This is definitely a winter Cinderella, like, beautiful. I hope you've enjoyed. More videos coming soon. I will try and get them out as quickly as possible. Here we go. The 2 beautiful nails. I really like those. I wish I was wearing those now. Thanks for watching. Please give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.